What's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we have a brand new early unboxing video. Alright, what's going on, everybody? Today we got another unboxing video for you guys. I know, I've been pumping out these like crazy, right? So today, the box kind of gives it away, right? We got another Jordan 1 unboxing. This one is a little bit early. They come out next week, May 25th, I believe. I'll pop it up on the screen right now. But May 25th, these guys release. Let's get right into it. All right, guys, so I got 11.5 here. So my true to size for Air Jordan 1s. Label reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Colorway white, university red, and black. So if you guys didn't know, these shoes, for some reason, they originally released in the UK first, and apparently they were sitting on the Nike sneakers app and everything over there for quite some time. I personally believe that this is a fire colorway, and I honestly cannot believe that these things were sitting overseas. This package right here was picked up from GOAT. So this is my first experience purchasing from GOAT. I literally got these things for retail. So it kind of just goes to show you that the Air Jordan 1s are dying down a little bit. I literally was able to pick this up early, before they even released in the US, and for retail. I think I paid, after shipping and everything on GOAT, I literally paid, I believe it was like $190 something, or $190, like $195, whatever it was. So they released $170, and I got these things for $190, $195 early. Insane. It's absolutely insane. So this is kind of also going to be like my first unboxing experience with GOAT as well, and give you guys that experience as well. Package from the actual cardboard box that it came in, immaculate condition. The box, as you can see, is also in really good shape. I mean, really, one little crease on the box right there, but who really cares, right? I mean, this thing came in immaculate condition. So let us open this guy up. Might be a little hard with this right here. So we got our little GOAT sticker right there. GOAT sticker right here. As well as their authentication little GOAT verified placard that comes in every box they cut out. After they do their authentication checks, you can see that they punch out the little holes right there. So yeah, like I said, so far my experience has been really good. And then getting into the shoes, there they are. You guys probably already knew this, from the box. It came in a special edition box with the white and the red, instead of the standard Air Jordan box Air Jordan 1 box that you guys can see right down on the bottom of the screen right there, that black and red box. So getting into the shoes, ladies and gentlemen, we got the Air Jordan 1 High OG Heritage. Let me tell you guys something real quick. This shoe right here is fire, okay? Fire. I have no idea why these things are sitting and why they're not getting the hype that they deserve, to be honest, right? These things are freaking clean, man. Absolutely clean. Look at this. Look at this shoe. It's literally a reverse colorway of the breads, okay? Breads. Everywhere you see white right here is black, and you have a bread. You get a bread one. That's what this is. It's crazy to me. And the quality, too. Let me take this shoe tree out real quick so you guys can see how soft. Quality on the leather. Let's show you this, guys. Nice tumbled leather, too. Quality for the leather. We got this nice tumbled leather on the toe box here. Soft, too. You can tell. Nice soft leather on the toe box. Not as soft as some of the more recent pairs that have come out. But still, soft leather on the toe box. Soft leather on the white right here. Got soft leather. Right? Good leather here. It's like more of a flat leather. That smoother leather. Alright, on the white side panels right here. I don't know why the hue looks like bluish on the camera right here. Like I said, I apologize because it is a webcam, so it may not look the best. as far as the colors and saturation is kind of getting messed up right here in the camera. But you know, you got that university red that goes down, black Wings logo right here. Get that thing to focus up for you guys. Black Wings logo right there. In the front, you got your standard Jordan nylon tongue in white with that Nike Air tag right here with the black and red. The shoe does come with an extra set of laces as well. So you got red extra set, and you also have the white. To be honest, I think I'm going to keep the black in the shoes. But the only other color that I think that I would switch it out for is the red. I think the white be a little bit too much white on the shoe. I have seen some other people put in the red, and it also looked really, really good as well. Going to the outsole right here, you got that nice university red along that classic Jordan 1 outsole. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You got white on the midsole, that standard white that basically comes in every single Air Jordan 1 right there. I mean, man, these things are literally fire. Like, I'm so surprised how the market is right now on Jordan 1s, you know? The previous video, the last video that you guys could watch on the Gore-Tex ones, I think the quality on that thing is insane as well. And like I said, those you also can get for retail. It's and early. I got those things you know, I had ordered them 2 weeks, but you know, I got those things over a week early. It's kind of insane right now how the market is on these Jordan 1s. I mean, I don't know if it's people that are not interested anymore in the shoe, or what. Like if they're waiting on different colorways or what's going on, man. But this shoe right here is absolute fire. If you're a fan of Jordan 1s, this is a classic Jordan 1 that you guys have to get. Not to mention that this shoe right here also is literally the same exact color blocking as the Travis Scott Jordan 1 highs, that blue and white pair. It's literally the same exact as this, except for that other one has that backwards, the backwards Nike swoosh. But yeah, guys, soft leather on here. You know, I mean, like I said, these things, to me personally, I believe that these things should definitely sell out. I mean, who knows if they're going to. Like I said, I was able to get them super early for retail. They probably will sell out on the sneakers app, because let's be honest, everything tends to sell out on the sneakers app. So good luck getting a W there if you guys are interested in this. But other than that, guys, yeah, please let me know down in the comment section if you guys are actually interested in this shoe right here. Because like I said, personally, I think it's definitely worth it. Absolutely 100%. The quality on here is really good. It's a soft leather. It's a classic color combo too for a Jordan, you know, Chicago Bulls with that red, white, and black colorway. So let me know, guys, if you guys are gonna be trying to cop this. Let me know down in the comment section. Are you guys gonna try to cop? You guys gonna put in the footwork for these things, or are you just gonna let these things slide and drop on these ones? Just let that thing slide and not even go for them. I mean, like I said, I love these things. I'm so happy that I picked them up. I may even try to get a double up on the sneakers app when these things do come out. But you know, let me know. What do you guys think? You gonna get them? You gonna not? Leave it down below. And other than that, guys, that is going to do it for me. So please, 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 thumbs up the video if you guys did enjoy. Also, smash that subscribe button. We want to get this thing going up there, get the channel growing. I promised you guys I am going to be pumping out a lot more content. I really do want to take this thing serious this time. And that's going to do it for me, guys. My name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.